Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video, 10 grammar rules you should avoid. Number 1. Verbs has to agree with the subject. Number 2. Remember to never split an infinitive. Number 3. Parenthetical remarks, however relevant, are usually unnecessary. Number 4. Never use a big word when a diminutive one would suffice. Number 5. Use words correctly, irregardless of how others allude to them. Number 6. Use the apostrophe in its proper place and omit it when it's not needed. Number 7. Eliminate unnecessary references. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, I hate quotations. Number 8. Who needs rhetorical questions? Number 9. Exaggeration is a billion times worse than understatement. Number 10. Last but not least, avoid cliches like the plague. Those of you that are good at silly grammar rules will no doubt have noticed that every rule contradicted itself. This is a grammar joke stolen by me from the grammar book, My Grammar and I, who in turn stole it from an article in the New York Times called Fumble Rules. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.